In addition to regulating traffic, what other function do traffic signs serve? A. To warn about hazards. B. To display public announcements. C. To sell advertising space. D. To provide weather forecasts. The correct answer is A. To warn about hazards. What is a system of government by one person with absolute power called? A. Monarchy. B. Oligarchy. C. Democracy. D. Autocracy. The correct answer is D. Autocracy. Which type of rights are directly related to modern democracy and recognize every individual's right to apply? A. Economic rights. B. Cultural rights. C. Social rights. D. Civil and political rights. The correct answer is D. Civil and political rights. Which of the following is not listed as one of the four major religions mentioned in the text? A. Sikhism. B. Christianity. C. Jainism. D. Hinduism. The correct answer is B. Christianity. When did the conceptualization of the system of local self-government in India begin through the formation of important committees? A. 1935. Born in 1957. Circa 1937. D. 1986. The correct answer is born in 1957. How is India described in terms of its global standing? A. A former colonial power. B. A developing nation with limited influence. C. A declining economic power. D. A potential superpower. The correct answer is D. A potential superpower. Which organism is a reliable indicator of the health of the entire river ecosystem? A. Friendly bacteria. B. King cobra. C. River dolphin. D. Mango. The correct answer is C. River dolphin. Ensuring freedom includes the freedom to do which of the following? A. Ignore laws. B. Control others. C. Express their views freely. D. Limit others' freedom. The correct answer is C. Express their views freely. Who should come together with the union and state governments to create a better society and nation? A. The people of India. B. Foreign powers. C. Non-governmental organizations. D. International bodies. The correct answer is A. The people of India. What new aspect does the Act introduce a specific broad definition for? A. Product liability. B. Unfair trade practices. C. Consumer rights. D. E-commerce regulations. The correct answer is B. Unfair trade practices. Which term refers to the state of being different from each other? A. Nationalism. B. Unity. C. Diversity. D. Independence. The correct answer is C. Diversity. What is the primary function of the Election Commission? A. Forming a federal system. B. Allocating symbols. C. Appointing cabinet ministers. D. Implementing election procedures. The correct answer is D. Implementing election procedures. Which organ of government refers to the executive function of the state? A. Government. B. Legislature. C. Judiciary. D. Parliament. The correct answer is A. Government. When is Human Rights Day observed? A. 9th December. B. 10th December. C. 24th October. D. 1st January. The correct answer is B. 10th December. What is the ratio of the national flag's length and breadth? A. 3:2. B. 3:4. C. 2:3. D. 4:3. The correct answer is A. 3:2. How long was Nelson Mandela imprisoned for organizing defiant campaigns against the government? A. 10 years. B. 20 years. C. 27 years. D. 15 years. The correct answer is C. 27 years. What is the primary purpose of establishing national law division and state-level human rights commissions? A. To manage financial assets. B. To regulate international trade. C. To ensure the protection of human rights. D. To conduct political campaigns. The correct answer is C. To ensure the protection of human rights. What website can be used to view the official website of Indian states and their functions? A. www.indianstates.gov. B. www.hackmadras.tn.nic.in. C. https://www.mia.gov.in/india-glance.htm. D. www.tn.gov.in. The correct answer is C. https://www.mia.gov.in/india-glance.htm. On what date was the Constitution of India adopted? A. 15th August 1947. B. 1st January 1949. C. 26th November 1949. D. 26th January 1950. The correct answer is C. 26th November 1949. Beyond enjoying equal status, what else do citizens have a right to in the economic sphere? A. To make important decisions. B. To form labor unions. C. To establish new businesses. D. To receive government subsidies. The correct answer is A. To make important decisions. Which of these is a qualification for a person to be a governor? A. Must be a member of parliament. B. Must be a citizen of India. C. Must hold an office of profit. D. Must be below 30 years of age. The correct answer is B. Must be a citizen of India. Which of the following towns is not listed as having a local self-government? A. Shivkashi. B. Madurai. C. Awadhi. D. Kumbakonam. The correct answer is B. Madurai. Which of the following is listed as a fundamental right? A. Right to privacy. B. Right to freedom. C. Right to vote. D. Right to assembly. The correct answer is B. Right to freedom. Which act aims to promote transparency in government institutions? A. Right to Education Act. B. Women Labourers Welfare Act. C. Mines Act. D. Right to Information Act. The correct answer is D. Right to Information Act. Which part of the Constitution discusses the Election Commission? 8. Part 3. B. Part 22. C. Part 15. D. Part XX. The correct answer is C. Part 15. What is a major geographical term used to describe India? A. Subcontinent. B. Island. C. Continent. D. Peninsula. The correct answer is A. Subcontinent. Who asked Kevin if he was going to play with his friends? A. His father. B. Wimbledon. C. His uncle. D. A child. The correct answer is C. His uncle. What is one of the learning objectives related to road accidents? A. To analyze the causes for road accidents. B. To provide first aid to accident victims. C. To report all accident details to authorities. D. To prevent all types of accidents. The correct answer is A. To analyze the causes for road accidents. What period should the Growth of Media album cover? A. Only the early period. B. Only the modern era. C. From early period to till now. D. From the present day backwards. The correct answer is C. From early period to till now. Among democratic systems, where does India rank based on citizens' faith in the system? A. Second. B. First. C. Third. D. Last. The correct answer is B. First. How did you score?